Hello friends, today's topic is about albumin. So what is the role of albumin and what is the significance of albumin in our body that we will look in this video. So first you have to remember albumin that is mostly found in the plasma. So it is one of the important plasma protein in a concentration of 3.5 to 5 gram per deciliter. You have to remember this albumin in a gram per deciliter. Otherwise serum glucose or plasma glucose level or lipid, they are cholesterol, triglyceride, they are in a milligram per deciliter. So you have to remember this plasma protein, particularly albumin, that is in a concentration of 3.5 to 5 gram per deciliter. Molecular weight of albumin that is 69,000 Dalton, and it contains 585 amino acid. So in detail of this albumin that we will look. Basically it is produced by the liver in the precursor form. So from this hepatocyte this albumin is produced, and it is produced in a concentration of about 12 gram per day. So that much of albumin is produced inside our body for the different purpose. So it is produced as a single polypeptide chain which is containing of 585 amino acid, and it has elliptical shape. So that all about the basic of the albumin. Further, this albumin making a major part of the plasma protein. Total plasma protein that is generally 6 to 8 gram per deciliter, and albumin concentration that is 3.5 to 5 gram per deciliter. So this albumin that is making more than half of the total plasma protein. So this albumin is playing a major part of this plasma protein. Now this albumin have a half-life of about 20 days, and it is measured with the help of chromium. So this half-life that is indicating various importance of albumin in our body. Suppose any disease which is not affecting albumin level, or albumin level is within a normal range, then that disease is generally considered acute condition. But if any disease is remain for a longer duration, and that can lead to the decreased albumin level in the blood. So that decreased level of albumin that is indicating a affecting a particular disease. This disease is affecting our body for more than 20 days, and that is indicating chronic condition of the disease. So these 20 days that also you have to remember, it can be utilized for a differentiating of disease whether it is acute or chronic. So any disease remaining for a longer duration, and that can affect our albumin level, and that can be indicated as a chronic condition. Now this albumin being a small molecular weight, it is also found in CSF and interstitial fluid. Because of the small molecular weight that can escape the vascular compartment, and it is found in cerebrospinal fluid as well as interstitial fluid. Now this albumin is also first to appear in a kidney damage. So whenever the glomerule is damaged, the first protein start to appear, that is kidney, and because of this low molecular weight, it is first to appear in the kidney damage. Now when it is appear in the kidney, simply it can be estimated, or it can be detected with the help of heat coagulation test. It is not estimated, but it can be detected with the help of heat coagulation test. Now there is a one more test, microalbuminuria, that is particularly used to detect presence of albumin or particular protein in the diabetic nephropathy. That is different, but at present when there is a large quantity of albumin is present in the urine, and that can be detected with the heat coagulation test. So that's all about the albumin inside our body.